Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Crunchyroll free trial whether you're using the app, a browser, or subscribed via Google Play or iTunes. Let's get started. First, log into your account and select Need Help. Then, use the search bar and type Cancel Trial. This will open a help article with a link to your billing page. If you're logged in with a active free trial or premium subscription, you'll see a cancel membership option. Tap it and follow the steps to confirm. Next method is open Google Play Store, then tap on your profile, payments and subscriptions, Find Crunchyroll in the list, then tap cancel subscription. If you signed up through a third party, always cancel through that platform. Cancel before trial ends to avoid being charged. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.